Hello. The prehistory mystery that you've just been looking at is this. And this is not a spoon. It's a bit too big to be a spoon. But it looked like a spoon. It's actually a lamp. A lamp made from red sandstone. Somebody in the Stone Age took a sandstone block like this, marked out a shape on it, and then very carefully and very skillfully carved it using perhaps a flint tool like this, which would have taken a very long time, and made themselves a beautiful lamp. Now, of course, in the Stone Age they didn't have electricity, so if they wanted to make a lamp work, they would use animal fat, and they would fill the inside of the lamp with animal fat, and they would put something inside there, something made from plant, to burn a bit like the wick on a candle, and light it, and it would light up a cave or a shelter. Now, this particular lamp is very special because although many stone lamps have been found in places where Stone Age people used to live, most of them looked a bit like this. Most of them were very simple. They were just a big block of stone with a little bit of a hole in it where the animal fat could be poured in and something could be put on and lit up. So this one was very special indeed. It's been very skillfully carved. It's got lots of little markings on it there, which we don't know the meaning of, but they were put there to decorate it. And it wasn't used very often, but we do know it was used because it was found with burnt material in the bottom. And when they looked at it, when they studied it under a microscope, they realised that what they'd been using was juniper plant fibres to act like a wick to help burn the animal fat. And they think, because very few lamps like this one have been found, very few lamps that are very special like this one have been found, that it might have been used on special occasions. It might have been used for ceremonies, for worship, but not every day. This was a particularly special one, very skillfully made. Where was it found? Well, it was found in France at a place called Lascaux. And Lascaux is famous for the cave paintings that were first discovered there in 1940, when somebody's dog fell down a hole and it was out walking. And when they went to get it out and went to look in the hole, they found a cave that had been hidden for thousands of years. And inside the cave were wonderful paintings of animals on the walls. And this is now a world famous site. And you can visit a replica, a copy of the cave today, and see copies of those paintings, because the real cave is very fragile. And this lamp was found in that cave. So who knows? The Lascaux lamp may actually have been a lamp that was used for special ceremonies or special rituals, or when they were worshipping and looking at those wonderful paintings. And if you look in the book Stone Age Boy, somewhere in there you'll find a picture of the Lascaux lamp. But I'm not going to tell you where, because most of the fun is finding out.